You know, one of the best parts of putting your garden to bed each fall is like putting money in the bank, because you get to shop your yard for free. So today I'm going to show you the basics of digging up and dividing perennials so you can add more plants to your garden beds totally for free. One of the best advantages of putting your garden to bed is like putting money in the bank by shopping your yard for more plants. So what do I mean by that? Well, as you walk your yard, you're going to find a lot of perennials that are going into dormancy. And it's the best time to dig them up and divide them and plant those divisions elsewhere in your yard to get a lot more plants, just like we did with these hostas right here. That's how we got so many. So what do? Well, you simply dig them up at the base of the plant. Okay, so there's the hosta. It came out very easily. And now, you just sort of pick through here and find some places to slice right through it. And so that'll be the next step. You get a good sharp blade of your shovel or anything else you want to do and just go right down through it. So now that one clump became two, and you can continue to do this. I'll look through here and find a place I want to cut, like maybe right there. Okay, now I have 3 clumps. I can continue to do that. And see that's the roots that I cut through, but that's going to sprout new roots once I plant them and its soil warms up. There are a lot of perennials that you can dig up and divide each fall, and we'll have a list of some of the most common ones right on our website at joegardner.com.